Hello friends, welcome back. In this exercise, they have asked us how to run the profiling on the entire function. Okay, so time it is used only for like few lines of code, or you can use time it for only one cell. Okay, we cannot have it for like multiple cells. Okay, so even if you want to have for multiple cells, we should have this timer in each and every cell. So to avoid these things, Python has a library called this one. So you can see this line profiler module, so which we need to install. So they have asked us, so what are the steps that we need to follow to use line profiler? Okay, so these are the two options are correct. Okay, so I will choose this one, submit the answer. So let's move on. So in this exercise, we will have to run this function. Okay. So for that, first we need to load the extension. So how do we load? There is a function called load ext is a magic method, and then line profiler. We will have to load this one. And after this one, okay, no module called line profiler, sorry. Yeah, it has done. Now to run this function, okay, to run this function, superheroes function, so we need to use this -f option and whatever the functions that we want to run. So what the function we want to run? We want to run this convert units. Okay, convert units, and we need to pass the values to this one, heroes, comma, and HTS, comma, WTS. Let's run this one. See guys, you can see the table generated here, right? Yeah, this is how it is. We can expand little more here. So line number 3 has taken like around 130 milliseconds. Okay, so this unit is coming from here. The timer unit is milliseconds it is, and the total time it has taken, we can calculate these things. Okay, let's answer the questions. What is the question here? What percentage of time is spent on the new HTC list comprehension line of code relatively to the total amount of time spent? Okay, so where is new? This is the one, right? So here it is. So time percentage is around 36, I mean 37 percentage. Okay, so 37 where we have, so it is here, right? Submit this. Oh, so it is saying not quite the new STS. New STS code has a runtime percentage that doesn't fall within this range, is it? So the percentage is this one on, right? So it has shown as 36.9 here, but I don't know why it is saying it is incorrect. Let's read the program properly. So 480 lines we have, and even we have this hits here, and total time also. This is correct only. This is the percentage that we have here. But anyhow, let's give this one. Yeah, that is also incorrect. So it's not this and this. This is the one. Yeah, giving every option here. But actually, see, if you run the program and if you see this profiling table, okay, so this is the percentage of time that has taken, so which is around 37 percentage, but I don't know why it is saying it is only 11% to 20%, but that's completely fine. Okay,